Hello, I am Dr. Ryan. You are watching Biodesk. Today, in this session, we are going to discuss phylum Protozoa. The name Protozoa was coined by G.A. Goldfuss in 1818 AD. This term has been taken from Greek language, in which protos means primitive or first, and zoon means animal. These are considered as first or primitive animals also. This is the group of most primitive unicellular eukaryotic organisms. These are also called acellular organisms. As to a structure, these are similar to one cell of metazoans, multicellular animals, while functionally these are entire organisms that perform all the vital activities of life with single cell. Hence, they are called acellular. This phylum includes about 50,000 different species. The common examples of phylum Protozoa include amoeba, paramecium, stentor, difflusia, verticella, trypanosoma, carcassium, euglena, didinium, and so on. These are all with single-celled body. Amoeba has irregularly shaped body with several finger-like pseudopodia. Paramecium, the body is elongated and spinal-shaped. It has numerous cilia in its body that is used in locomotion and food capturing. Verticella found in groups attached to some substratum in water. Euglena moves freely in water with the help of long flagella. Similarly, trypanosoma is also with a long thread-like structure called flagella that help in locomotion. So these organisms are all similar in having single-celled body, but they are with different features. Now let us talk about the characteristics of protozoans. The characters found in different members of phylum Protozoa may be termed as general characters. And when we describe the general characters of any phylum, any group, we must mention certain points like body organization, habitat, the different life activities like locomotion, respiration, nutrition, excretion, reproduction, body structure, and some special features found in the members of particular group. So see them one by one. First, about body organization. The members of this phylum are all unicellular, single-celled, microscopic animals. They are seen clearly under microscope, means they are very small, and they are with protoplasmic grade of body organization, means the life activities are performed by the protoplasm of the body. See the body of amoeba or paramecium. Inside their body we see nucleus, contractile vacuole, food vacuole, cytoplasm. These are all collectively called protoplasm. Protoplasm is said to be the physical basis of life, and here the life activities are performed by the same protoplasm. So this is called protoplasmic grade of body organization. They are mostly aquatic. Most of the members are found in water, but some are found in damp soil. Presence of moisture in their environment is an essential condition for their survival. These members may be solitary or colonial. Solitary means living singly, while colonial means living in groups. Some members live singly, some are found in groups. Volvox is an example of a colonial organism. The members may be free-living, may be parasitic. Amoeba, Paramecium is free-living, while Giardia is parasitic in nature. In them, locomotory structures may be present or absent. If present, these include cilia, flagella, or pseudopodia. Nutrition may be holozoic, holophytic, saprozoic, or parasitic. So they have flexible type of mode of nutrition. Holozoic means animal-like. Heterotrophic organisms feeding upon ready-made organic substances called holozoic. Holophytic means plant-like, autotrophic. Saprozoic means getting nourishment from dead and decaying organic substances. And parasitic organisms depend on others for food and shelter both. In them, digestion is intracellular, means digestion of food takes place inside the cell that occurs inside food vacuoles. Respiration, one another life activity that includes exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide in between body and surrounding environment. In protozoans, respiration takes place through general body surface. The exchange of gases occurs by simple diffusion. That means from higher concentration to lower concentration, molecules move themselves. Oxygen of the surrounding moves into the body through cell membrane, and similarly, the carbon dioxide from the body moves out into the surrounding. So this we call respiration through general body surface by simple diffusion. Excretion is the process of removing metabolic waste. In them, excretion takes place through general body surface or by contractile vacuoles. Amoeba has a single contractile vacuole, Paramecium with two contractile vacuoles. Some organisms are without contractile vacuoles. So if contractile vacuoles are present, they help in excretion and osmoregulation. Osmoregulation means regulation of osmotic pressure, water and salt balance. Reproduction. In the members of phylum Protozoa, reproduction takes place by both the sexual and asexual methods. Asexual reproduction takes place by budding or fission, while sexual reproduction takes place by conjugation. Conjugation is the simplest method of sexual reproduction. During this, two individuals unite together and exchange their genetic materials. They usually form a resistant cyst wall around their body during unfavorable conditions of life or during reproduction also. Formation of a resistant cyst wall is called encystation. Here in this diagram we see encystation. The diagram is that of Giardia. When conditions are not suitable, unfavorable, or during reproduction also, Giardia withdraws all its flagella inside the body and forms a resistant hard covering all around its body. Finally acquires an oval shape. This hard covering protects the body during unfavorable conditions of life. So this is a resistant covering. Encystation is usually found in protozoans during unfavorable conditions of life or during reproduction. This is all about introduction and general characters of phylum Protozoa. In our next video, we shall continue this with the classification of phylum Protozoa.